Guys, this is Matt. I'm gonna show you my WorldChat app. This is my Friday early submission. I'm so excited how this app is coming together. We've got some really exciting developments for you. So I'm gonna show you. This is my app on the left-hand side and the right, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And what this app is it started as, so I'm doing international traveler. And it started as a way for, like, my parents are going on a trip next year. Way for, as when you're on a trip, you make friends. That way you can stay in touch with those friends on your trip and also learn the language at the right time, or at the same time. But things have evolved. So I'm going to show you some functional enhancements, and then I'm going to show you some really amazing things that I'm unlocking through this opportunity. So we've got our conversations here. Presence indicator works better. So see that here. On the left is my user account, American user account. On the right is Italian user account. We've been talking, we're Italian friends. So here we've got a number of different things. So I'll show you first the functional things that you'll be looking for AI agents. So one is you can ask AI about something that we've talked about. So like in this case, my Italian friend sent me this message. Yes, it'll be si sarà fantastico. And now it'll tell me about that thing my friend sent me. So it gives them all kinds of stuff. Word-to-word translations, meanings, grammar, context. I think, I gave a lot of like simple messages here, but you can use it for all kinds of things. Also gives cultural context, so it's kind of a learning tool about the culture. All these things are connected. And then I've also got smart replies here, which are based on the conversation that we're having. And so I can click one and it automatically translates into Italian, and I can send that if I want to. Now, some other really interesting thing, and I'm actually going to change that. I actually don't want to do that because what I'm going to end, here's why. What we're going to end up having is, okay, so the most recent, so on the left is receiver messages, on the right is sender messages. And the whole point of this is that with this app, we can finally decouple the user from sender receiver, from message, and from language. And the reason this matters is that we see non-sender message on the left, we see sender messages on the right. And we also have this voice tool.
Sì, sarà fantastico.
Yeah, so you can learn, so my friend sent me sarà fantastico, and I can hear it now. So I can hear, and you notice I put it at the top. So I, as the American, want to see, like, it's most helpful if I actually try to see what they actually said. And then I have this inline translation of what it is. I can also hear it.
Fantastico.
Awesome.
Ci vorrà solo un minuto.
Okay, and then on the right here, it works the other way. So on the right, we are the Italian user, and so I get to see my American messages first in English. Actually, in English, these are the non-sender messages, and then I can see the translation below it. Okay, great. This is actually like kind of tricky technically, and the point is that so yes, we're doing view model. We're doing one cell. Actually, the cell has no logic about translations because we have both the languages in the chat and the translation. Like we have the original message, we have the message in its original language, and we also have other languages, preferred languages. The point of all this, kind of what you might be getting, what you might be realizing, is that what we're going to end up having is, and like it's different for different users. Like for example, if I'm Italian user and I'm with American talking to American sender, I see English in my receiver cell. I see English first, and then I see the translation to me, which is like the translation. It's actually not a translation. It's like the Italian translation. So basically, you see kind of what I'm getting at, which is we'll end up having an array of like the languages that are available and like needed in this chat of whoever's in the chat. And the point is, guys, we can have group chats with multiple languages where everyone is able to speak in their native language and unencumbered, right? Unencumbered speak and read and like actually have a connection with no pain, like very low pain, low friction environment to receive messages from other people in different languages. And we could even have like multiple translations, like, or, you know, obviously we're always going to have the translation into our language, but we could, like, you could learn more than one language at one time. You could have multiple people speaking in different like languages as inputs, where all the receivers would still receive and they'd all be able to like nearly frictionless communicate in this way. Excuse me, guys. So I am so stoked. I can't even believe this app. And I love the way the interface is starting to shape up. It's looking and feeling a little like more snappy. And the more I just that unlock, I don't know if anyone's done this. And I tell you what, the people that I've shared this concept with, like they're really interested in it because everyone's got a friend who speaks a different language or is from out of town, you know, from a different country or whatever. Everyone's got a friend like that where they would like to keep in touch, and it'd be nice to keep in touch in a frictionless environment. And it's not just frictionless; it's actually being able to communicate and understand each other, and also learn each other's language, and you can also learn culturally all at the same time, all in one app. That's actually like quite social, like a pretty social experience and a shareable experience. This is so cool. I think there's so many opportunities here. Really excited. And I'm having so much fun. Like, I love iOS development. I love app development. Just give me all your app development, guys. Give me all your iOS development because I'm having a blast.